Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to catch up with hashtag Deck the Year 2025, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I am sharing week 40 and week 41. Is that right? Yeah. Because I missed last week's video, and life just gets in the way, and it sucks. So I altered 2 playing cards, and I was in the mood for Halloween. Let me just share what I used first. I just used papers from my stash. I used some of these googly eyes, and then I also used some of these, which I thought was perfect. I busted out these stickers. And then this weekend I went to Michael's because I wanted to see their Christmas paper. Not that I need any paper, but I just wanted to see them. And these, but they weren't on sale. They weren't on sale here on the East Coast. So there are some cute papers. I don't know if I'll get any. Maybe if they mark them down to $4.99, maybe I will, but I didn't see anything that I had to have. But I did pick up this sticker pack. I saw some paper there, but I just don't think I'd use the paper. I mean, I have some paper in my stash, so I'm trying to use that up, but these stickers were really cute, and I used a few of them. I think they just look kind of vintagey. I love these. I think these are like ads, and these are little what do you call them, stamps, and airmail. It's really cute. I just like that look. So I use a couple of the sheets from here, a couple of stickers from here. So I'm going to share week 40. So I added some paper from my stash. These are old, I don't even know what they're from. I don't know, they're just old papers from my stash. Here are the stickers, and I backed it with some orange paper so it kind of stands out. I added a piece of black lace. Here's another sticker from that paper pad that says trick or treat. There's those little enamel dots, I guess. But they are perfect for this type of so I love how that one turned out. And then this one is kind of I use more paper. This is like a little ghost on it. It's purple, added orange paper, and I love to expose the playing card in the background. Here's another of that sticker. I backed it with some paper, added some black flowers. I didn't want to use a lace. And then here's another piece of that. It says Happy Halloween. Added some gems from my stash, and there's those little eyeballs. They're like googly eyes. They're perfect for Halloween. So yeah, those are my 2 cards for last week and this week. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.